He scored 11-4 and he make it 12-4, 8-point win for Team Jokers. Ayun na, Aquino. Bring the ball. Aquino pa rin. And last dance, De La Peña. 13 to shoot. 13 to shoot. Paso dito. Paso Misa, 10 for 3, short. And Tamani for the rebound, back to Misa. Nabitiwan, De La Peña for the steal. Ayun na, Martin. Akin na to. Coming from Martin. Martin. Ayun, the steal. Ang tarat Sablay. Garcia. Fade away. Sablay. Ang tarat Sablay. Ang tarap ulit. Sablay. And tabigan. Ayun na, Misa. Giving the ball. Misa pa rin. And Misa, Torito, big. Pass ito Manny. Hulam! Sablay. And substitution. 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Balik-balik.
Nag-orderan nyo ng kakanin dati.
Martin.
Hindi. Iba to. Yung kasama ko to sa bahay. Dati sabay sa Liya. Yung ang dating tinutulong niya may birthday.
Ayun na, Misa.
Yun yung nangutang sa akin. 2 years na yung perla.
Rito, bring the ball. Estel. And Pestaño pass to Walker. Walker bring the ball. Pass to Flores. Back to Walker. And one. Basket down. Foul number 33. Rito. Palit-palit. De La Peña. Rito, second personal foul, warning for penalty, bonus shot for Whopper.
Sure ka?
And bonus shot is good, palit-palit.
Saka nagsinungaling ko yung si Janet na may sakit ang
Ayun na,
nanay niya. Wala
Aquino.
naman pala.
3 minutes and 44 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Pass to Misa.
Nagkasakit tuloy ang anak niya.
Misa. Paso Rito. Rito. To Misa for 3. Sumablay. And there's a foul. Coming from Tamani, number 88, penalty. Second personal foul, penalty. And Pestaño shooting two. Oh, nandiyo. Pasok. Lastro. And the last one is good. Game from Pestaño. He scored 19-4. Ayun ang Misa Dinuend. Misa bring the ball. Paso Pino. Back to Misa. 10 to shoot. Rito. Tamani open. 5. Balyeras to Misa. Pula Sablay. Misa ulit. Sablay. And Pestaño. Paso Tarab. Flores for 3. Sumablay. Oh, bola sing. Balik-balik.
Ayun na naman si ano.
Tamani last nets.
Arte-arte yun.